If Lucidchart is giving you a JavaScript error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This problem is often caused by a browser extension, bad cache, hardware acceleration, WebGL, or even a single corrupted diagram file. The good news is that you can usually solve it without being a tech expert. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing I want you to do is open an Incognito window in your browser. This is one of the easiest ways to test whether the issue is being caused by a browser extension, a saved cookie, or a corrupted session. Once the private window is open, log into Lucidchart and open the diagram that's giving you trouble. If the JavaScript error disappears in incognito mode, that's a strong sign the issue is coming from your normal browser profile, not from Lucidchart itself. In that case, you'll want to move on to clearing your cache and checking your extensions. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store old files that can interfere with how web apps load scripts, and Lucidchart is no exception. Go into your browser settings, then find Privacy and Security, and open the Clear Browsing Data section. Make sure you select cached images and files, along with cookies and other site data. Then click Clear Data and restart your browser completely. After that, go back to Lucidchart and try the diagram again. In many cases, this alone is enough to remove the JavaScript error because the browser is no longer loading stale or broken files. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is hardware acceleration and WebGL. Lucidchart can rely on your browser's graphics rendering, and if that system is buggy or unsupported, it can trigger script errors. If you're using Chrome, go to Settings, then System, and look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Toggle it off if it's currently on, or on if it's currently off, depending on what you need to test. Then, inside Lucidchart, go to View, then Navigation Settings, and look for the WebGL option. Try turning WebGL off or on, again depending on its current state. After changing either of these settings, restart your browser so the changes fully apply. This step is especially useful if the error started after a browser update or a graphics-related change on your computer. Now, if the JavaScript error only happens in one specific Lucidchart document, the problem may be with that file itself. A diagram can sometimes become partially corrupted, especially if it's very large or has been edited a lot. To test this, open the broken document and select everything using Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac. Then copy everything with Ctrl-C or Command-C. After that, create a brand new blank document in Lucidchart and paste the content in with Ctrl-5 or Command-V. If the new file works normally, then the original document was likely the issue. This is a great way to preserve your content while moving it into a fresh file that may not carry over the same error. At this point, you've covered the most common fixes for a Lucidchart JavaScript error. To recap, first test in incognito mode, then clear cache and cookies, then toggle hardware acceleration and WebGL, and finally copy the diagram into a new file if the issue seems isolated to one document. Usually one of these steps will solve it. If you want more simple troubleshooting videos like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot, and it makes sure you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.